gonna support right here. Okay, and then you're gonna headlock my arm, pull it in nice and tight. Lock that bad boy in there. Okay, pull it in, lock me in. Okay, deep breath in, all the way out, lock me in. Just like that. Let it relax. Deep breath in, all the way out. Deep breath in. Another breath in, all the way out.
That was cracking on the way down.
Seriously. Okay, we're gonna pull this side here too. Okay, hold there, sneak underneath here. Okay, we're gonna hold. Okay. Lock me in nice and tight. Breathe in.